What's up YouTube, it's Louis here, hope you're all well. Stupid from Quant. Honestly, I was thinking we were going to pump yesterday because so many coins at the current time of me making the video was above this neckline, was validating the pattern. You can see you had a double bottom here, one bottom, neckline, second bottom. You broke out of that, and we were also at that moment above this M patterns neckline over here, reclaiming that neckline. And then obviously as soon as I post the video, the candle closed below, and then the next candle continued down. So I was telling you guys, if we did close above the 0.50, you could put a trade. So it's $1, so you probably have to leverage back up to this, basically from the 0.50 to the 0.618 quickly, because you were above the EMAs, basically telling you that you should be going to the 200, and then that could still act as resistance, and that's why we'd only take the trade to there. But then obviously we closed that candle where we were above under the pink line, and that basically did not validate this trade. The trade was invalid basically by not closing above this pink line. So I hope you guys understand that whenever I give you something, remember, any pattern, any target can easily get invalidated, and that is just the way trading is, and that's what you need to overcome basically. And so obviously now we know we're not going up there. So what's going on? We're still holding this ascending support. So that's positive signs. You can see if I keep dragging this up over here, it's really ugly. I'd probably like to go to the daily. Yeah, we can draw some sort of really ugly ascending triangle right there. You've got a lot of space to go, so it's going to take a long time because we need to break this resistance point. Once we do break above $127, then it's going to get exciting. Look, from here to here, let's see if we break out right now. Out of $127, we would be retracing back to the previous high. So if we can break this green box of resistance, actually a bit below that, if we can break this pink line over here and this green box of resistance, of course, because it's going to be heavy resistance, then we should head back to these highs back up here around $150. That nice psychological level we've been talking about, that was acting as resistance right there and right there, which led to these two crazy dumps. Now the second dump telling you that the reaction from this resistance is getting weaker and weaker because the pushes down are getting less and less. You've got a higher low now. So what forms after a high low? It should be a higher high if we are in a uptrend. So to go into an uptrend, you actually need to come all the way up and break above this high. So we're not technically bullish until we're back above $150, using it as support. I don't want to get above it. I want to use it as support. I want to see wicks going below 150, meaning that we were below, but we're not closing below. I want to see those wicks. And that's basically telling me that it is support. Just like we see wicks to the top, it wants to drop, like right here. And then we drop because we had previous resistance and we had wicks to the top, it wants to drop. And of course we drop back to this ascending support, which we're still inside of. So we're technically trying to form this uptrend. It's just so we know that we're not completely safe until we're back above $150. And I say this because actually if we do come up to $150 and we get rejected right there, so something like this, and we get rejected, then we could continue lower. Of course we can, back into this support area. But that's just one scenario. Of course, what we would like to see, come up to here, pull back, break out, and then you basically need to do that in all of these areas. You need to hold this as support, hold this as support, and hold that as support. You need to keep having these higher lows at each support point. And once we're eventually back above this purple area, which is also this head and shoulders neckline, and that head up there, then of course we invalidate that further downside. So that's pretty much it. We know that if we're rolling out now, probably going to head back into this green zone. This must hold, otherwise we create a reversal wave back down to this wick down here, roughly at $92 to $96, and we do not want that whatsoever. This green box is currently at 105 to 109. So if you're rolling out of this, you could hold the red box, but the target would basically be the green box. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. So guys, these are my crypto packages. Let's bring you over to the one-on-one mentorship, where it's £650 one-off payment. You will get video call lessons with me over a 1 month period. We will do 1 or 2 hour lessons every single day, and you don't need any prior knowledge whatsoever. You can have zero, you can already be an advanced or intermediate trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve. Everything that I'm teaching you has taken me over 3 years to gather and cost me over £10,000, whether that was good courses, bad courses, mistakes, scams, or whatever it was. It cost me over £10,000 to get all this information that I'm personally teaching you. I also had to pay for my mentor over $2,000 for a 2-hour lesson. So what you're getting for this price is absolutely phenomenal. Now, you also get the 6-hour crypto course included in this price, as well as the signals chat until the top of the bull market. Now let's move over to the signals chat. I wouldn't call it signals. This is just basically a group where I post what I'm personally doing, my thoughts on the market, if I think it's going up or down. So there's daily chart updates, but also, yeah, throughout the day, what I'm thinking, or where I'm buying, where I'm selling, where I'm looking to accumulate, or obviously get out the market. This is what's in the crypto chat, and that's £25 for your first month and £40 onwards. Then we can move over to the 6-hour crypto course. There are over 35 plus videos in this. You don't need any prior knowledge to start. You can be beginner, intermediate, or advanced level trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve, to make you into that self-sufficient trader, to make you into a trader that doesn't need outsiders' help. Not my help, not any YouTubers' help, or any crappy group chat. So if you're interested in this, you also do get a one-on-one mentorship lesson with me at the end of the course, so you can get any questions answered, so you're clear and you know exactly what to do going forward. If you're interested in any of these packages, then please go to my Twitter at Louis_crypto and literally comment down below and just say, Louis, I'm interested, and I'll personally private message you to see if you qualify for any of these packages. Thank you guys for listening, watching the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you in the next one.